I ordered the tank case 5 months ago now, and with that, I ordered a skin for my 17 Pro. And I just didn't put it on because been procrastinating, I guess. Also, if I have a skin on and if I take the case off or on again and again, it tends to take the skin off. If you want an example of that, I made a video about a skin that frayed on my 15 Pro Max, which I'm using to record right now. So it's not ideal to use a skin with your case on, but now that I've been using my case for a while and I've made a long-term review on it, I am going to give it up for a bit at least. So I thought I'm finally gonna go ahead and put the skin on. So let's get into it. Okay, I'm so glad I'm putting the skin on because frankly, I'm kind of sick of it. Not this, I'm sick of having a case on, makes too bulky. I mentioned this in the last video. I have a MagSafe wallet that I use usually. I didn't want it to be too bulky anymore. So let's just get on with the skin. You know, I never really turn my phone off for this stuff, but every time something or the other gets in the way. This time around, I'm gonna turn my phone off. I'm not messing around. You see, you know you're a seasoned skin applier if you know to turn the phone off. Even I guess if you do it for screen protectors and whatnot. Never mind, I gotta grab my iPad. Okay, let's look up dbrand 17 Pro skin. Okay, I guess I'll watch it in its entirety because I have been burned before when I didn't watch it all the way through and then I started applying this scale and something went wrong and then I have to take it off. And so let me just watch it and I'll show you some bits here and there which I think are fun.
You just got your dbrand skin for the iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max. Relax, this is going to be easy.
Okay, very first thing, I'm gonna do the whole coverage because I am not going to be using a case, period. So yeah, full coverage is the way to go. I'm still gonna finish watching the video first. Well, I guess I don't have to technically finish watching the whole thing. I'm just gonna start actually. Honestly, that's all there is to it. I hope you enjoy your skin if you do end up getting one. I think orange is a very safe, boring, something option to go for. I would have gotten something else, but I just wanted to have a clean looking phone. And I got the orange because I like the orange, but I didn't want it to scratch. So, oh, here's the skin. Anyway, I hope you enjoy your skins. That is also a weird thing to say. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. PS out.